Some say your environment can inspire you to realize unseen potential and make extraordinary things. Introducing ThermalHeart Plus windows and doors, thermally efficient frames, the AGP system performance glass, and the Centrafix installation method. These brand new and comprehensive ranges deliver exceptional thermal efficiency, almost doubling the performance of standard double glazing. 3 ranges covering all possible design requirements, and all featuring our ThermalHeart technology. A thermal insulator stitched into the core of our frames that reduce the transfer of hot and cold temperatures in your home. A new system for new levels of thermal efficiency. Clean modern lines, door heights up to 3 meters, and high performance in the most extreme weather conditions. Designed in New Zealand and made for our unique New Zealand environments. The AGP system is state-of-the-art glass, made up of 4 key elements. 2 pieces of precision-cut glass joined by an architectural thermal spacer that reduces the transfer of hot and cold temperatures. Argon gas creates an additional barrier to heat loss and improves insulation. And Solux E is a low E coating that reduces heat loss in winter and overheating in summer. A complete thermal solution that delivers 59% less heat loss, a 34% drop in overheating, and a 19% reduction in fading compared to standard double glazing. The game-changing Centrafix technology is recessed into the wall cavity. It aligns all insulation elements and prevents cold air from circulating around the frames. A totally unique New Zealand-designed innovation, giving you over 20% improvement on thermal performance compared to standard installation methods. This is thermal performance, made here for here, keeping you cooler, warmer, drier, and healthier. This is ThermalHeart Plus.